Chief Minister N. Biren said that those who entered Manipur after 1961 are not citizens of the state and claimed that there was peaceful coexistence between the communities that have settled in the state before the said year. Biren also asserted that there will be undesirable outcomes if the state or the Northeast ever decide to sever its political alliance with the government of India. The Chief Minister was speaking at the mega function for distribution of welfare benefits under Department of Skilled Labor, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Government of Manipur at Hapta Kangjaibung at Palace Compound today. The program was organized by Manipur Building and other Construction Workers Welfare Board. He also noted the impacts of the prevailing violence in the state on both the warring communities. Biren further claimed that peace and normalcy is slowly returning to the strife-torn state. He also mentioned that deployment of state forces in the peripheral areas is almost complete. He further urged the people to extend their support and cooperation towards the initiatives taken by the state government. The payment of funds to various labor and job card holders, financial recipients, students and pensioners, etc. are being distributed through direct benefit transfer for faster and simpler flow of funds with accurate identification and targeting of beneficiaries, making it much easier to avail various government services by the masses.
Inaran permission asi dikne sahi kun kuthai man chapira maba fencing tokshan bira maba sahi kun kuthai man da FMR se sahi kun kuthai man da lokhok bira madi masi na koi gi tampak se kuma ge attack to bunga mission ang ngadra moida machine ko ta thalo tai na banate blame to banate aseng ko to mit mang na tar ga lai ko du de koi mind divert to bun tokte Bharatiya Janata Party ki Biren na lusing iba sarkar na sahi taruka kana ko community thamoi shokala ba kari thamuk to ge Sri Biren na lusing ba sarkar na to ki base drug na mangal labang asi ke samaj da ki youth sing da ki tungi miro na mang da dore na war on drug to ki kasi nong ta dre turen na sing lai tre sing da ki nong ta ko matam da lainang oina chur khare maram di u hodra banina masi da ki kanna ba forest kanji haidana di forestation daruga poppy tha mayam do poppy mayam ya takki poppy tha da na ba forest kanna ba drug karwar to kuna masi da praja mayam mangal lai ban harun mayam mangal lai mayam si moi ki mata da kan ba khabak santhar kana waron drug daru kan mi lishing ahu mari hena phagi madu ki mata ka mapan da ki sang ko anu bushing han ge ani bai sin na ko kisi na te ko anu bushing uki hoi gara muslim hoi gara yani Baita yu agara anybody mapan da ki sangat bahar ki sini mito makhoi ki masing khang na kun hen kala kwa masing khang na population hen kala ko ki mito khando ko ki biometric lower kanda cabinet sub committee ma sema ka adu se cabinet sub committee kana na chairman wai thabi bra lepau hokit lamdam sigi macha lamdam sila ko ko adu kuki macha lepau hokit tu ko chairman wai laga ngasi sila pami bana ga ki silina awang ni mai buna member wai laga mati pasanda honorable MLA mo ko yung cabinet sub committee sema ka da mito khando ko hol ko ni kana do mo community mage against ko kari tau ki sina ta ba karba aran ma kari tau ki ko lai ge kari ki no moina ai mo na sam sai ni sai kada ai na kari tau ki ba yaw ge ong ta hai ni me ai na tau ki ba mari se nan rai ba sina ta bai ko na kana ko mo community ko mo ta kari tau ko ge ba adu ki mari ko tau ko ra ba moina mo ta Biren sak hai ha.
Taking part in the event, Labour Minister Haikam Dingo said that the Labour Board was established in the state in 2010, adding that the board became publicly recognized in 2017. He maintained that various schemes were initiated by the board under the leadership of Chief Minister N. Biren and benefits of the schemes were ensured to the people. He also mentioned the new PMSYM pension scheme initiated by Ministry of Labour and said that once the scheme is implemented in the state, cardholders will receive a minimum ensured pension of 3,000 rupees every month. He further urged the public to avail benefits provided by the board. Health, debt, education and labour benefit cards were distributed to as many as 26,000 beneficiaries at the event.
Welfare policy na hindi ba scheme sila sa Manipuri kasi mayam na mas ikana ro kung sa sila sa na mahal digan ko na packet sa iba scheme sila sa kita panjara wala immediate assistance in case of accident. Lagi accident ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯕꯔ ꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯕꯒꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯗꯦꯊ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯧ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯙꯥꯟ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯌꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯟꯙꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯕꯔ ꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯗꯣꯞ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯏꯅꯧ ꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ 50% ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ 50% ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯅ ꯄꯨꯖꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ 3,000ꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ